eat.
Is amazing.
Very good life. She the mom. She
Oh yeah. Huh? Yeah, most likely. Yeah.
Wow. She really. Hi everyone, it's Julia. Welcome to my another vlog. This video I'm in Laos and I'm in Luang Prabang. Today friend and I we are driving to the waterfall. The most famous waterfall in Luang Prabang I have to say is the Si Kaung waterfall. Driving scooter in Luang Prabang this season is really nice. It's not that hot. Sometimes it can be even cool when you are in the very deep forest. Good morning from Luang Prabang. This is outside of the city already. Now we are having the coffee. We are going to have the coffee here. It's supposed to be the rice pea.
Yeah.
But now it's yellow
it's
already.
Like, yeah. They just actually they took it down not too long ago. You still have some left here, so should be just a few weeks.
After about 45 minutes driving out of the city, and we saw this lovely cafe, so we just drop in and then have some coffee. For me, I take the tea. And then guess what? After this coffee, we see so many nice coffee on the way. Like similar, you can choose. Yeah. Oh, she also makes sound. Yeah, this is just a cafe. And she act like she knows me for a long time. Yeah.
Just like very friendly.
Yeah, so sweet. Oh no, she will live by herself like this. Okay, enjoy. Here we go, continue driving to the waterfall. On the way, we saw many interesting, nice, authentic style house like this, which is so interesting and feel really chill. Driving in this season is really cool because it's winter, while in the morning you feel really cool. There was a morning we woke up and we go to the monastery, the street where you can donate, you can offer the breakfast to the monk. Wow, at this morning it was so cool. And even though in daytime like this you are driving scooter, it can be really cool in the evening and when you are in the deep forest like I mentioned earlier. So you have no need to worry to getting too hot when you're driving scooter in this season. I'm here in Luang Prabang in November, so I'm sure from the November, December, January, February is when be cool like this. Maybe December, January, maybe even more cool. So it means the good time to visiting the Laos. After about 20-25 minutes driving from cafe, we are here arriving at the entrance of the waterfall. But guess what? As the waterfall is very famous and is full of tourists, there are many tourist cars in the parking. At the same time, when you're trying to get a ticket, we see a lot of queuing, like very long queue. So me and my friend we don't enjoy too much when it's so crowded. So we just back up, we come back. So we just back from the waterfall, the most famous waterfall, but it's too much tourists. As you can see now, so many tourist cars still going. So we decided to just... And then we saw the local people, they parking the motorbike beside the river, like the small river. And then my friend, he went and checked what's going on there. And he saw the local people, like a small group of local people. They do barbecue and then they look like they're going to have fun there. So me and my friend, we decided to stay there a while, and it turned out really nice experience. Speaking with the local, and then the local people also seem quite nice. They even share the barbecue to us and share the drink to us as well. This was really good memory of the Luang. We gave up the most famous waterfall, but then we choose the authentic style with a small river. It's still really cool experience. Maybe now I'm okay. Now okay. Yeah. Very fun. This pretty like this. Wow, the water is so clear. And I can show you how do I look now. I'm looking like this. Oh. Yeah.
What is the middle one? The middle one
It's moving a little bit.
Yeah, the middle one is the one who moved the left.
Yeah. Please take this one, thank you. It's very fun.
This is the adventure, this is what I like.
Yeah, we can
This
sit.
is my style.
We can just sit here, right?
Yeah.
Or go far if you want. And now we find a spot to sit. Hopefully it's safe. But we also have the tower or something. Yeah. Good idea.
Either we sit this here,
Huh?
or let me see, is there a spot else somewhere? I don't think so.
But they have this fan, no? And you can also take shower here. Look. Ah, that's so nice. Water, small water. I think another. Luckily, I have this, but you don't have anything to eat, eh? Mango, you can eat mango with me. Yeah, some mango. Do you know this one? They live in the water. This one, they live in the water. Look like the spider. I think they call water spider, right? This
Oh
one.
yeah, this.
I see a lot when I'm a child in my hometown.
Oh yeah.
A little bit in the water. Like this. The water is so cool. Look like the water at the waterfall. Here can be a little bit slippery, but you have to go slowly. It's food. You can eat. Normally you can eat, but this one maybe too mature, so I just let it go. Oh no, this one. Like this. That's so cool. Look at this water. The water all the way along like this from here. Now I'm standing on the rock, on the flying rock, like this. But the weather in here is really cold. When you sleep at night, you even no need the AC, no need to on the AC. And now I even didn't take shower in the morning. I really want to play with the water, taking shower, but it's cold. Let's see. Need to sit in the sun after shower. Otherwise it's gonna be cold. But it's really relaxing.
Nice.
So we do some exchange with mango and chicken.
And then I think I can give them like at least like 10 or
Yeah.
just like a 20, 10 or 20 something. I don't care. It's like they can
Okay.
be shy on everything, but the tourists.
If you give me, I make a video. This is the kitchen. It's given by the local girl.
So good.
Right.
The chicken is amazing.
Amazing. Normal, simple cooking, simple Korea. Don't put a lot of ingredients like in the restaurant. This whole for me like this. Yeah. Well, this one also giving by them 2 beer, 1 for 1. They're really nice. But only thing we don't understand each other. We just smiling, exchange the mango and barbecue. And then by the small river with no many people. Like this. Do you like the chicken?
The chicken is amazing. Amazing.
Say in French, say in French.
Le poulet est trop bon. Le poulet est excellent, je dirais même.
You also haven't have any food today, so the fast food for today. After we eat a little piece of chicken that given by the local people, my friend went to the shop and buy some more drink for the local people. Just want to give away to them. Walking around the river and see what we're gonna see. Wow, the water is very flow strong.
The butterfly here.
Yeah, yellow
Many small
color.
fish as well.
Wow. I think if they're the big fish, they can come and catch
No,
you.
this is too small. Nothing to eat into that.
But if you have a lot of fish, you can fly. More rock here. Rock. There are more rock over there.
Yeah.
I hope it's not snake, eh?
Or maybe there is some, huh?
Wow. Okay.
No, no, c'est quoi les arbres?
Inside, yeah.
Crocodile.
Something still bite me. Wow, it's kind of man-made. Very relaxing. Like small waterfall as well. The water has a green color. And then arrive to this the upper of the river. This is where we come from. Now we will keep going and see there. Like, what is that? What is that? What it is? It's very fun. This is what we eat in my hometown. I'm sure they also eat here. We steam or we boil them and then we eat. But it's too mature, then we don't eat. We eat the young one like this. It's very cool. Can enough of taking the video. Then I cross the river. It's very nice. have a big, like a waterfall. Yeah. I think in no long you can take it. Okay. You go in the water?
No.
Okay, I'm going in the water. I will go walking in the water because I like adventure. Let's see how deep it is. Ah, it's quite strong. The water is quite strong. Like, I need to hold my body very, very firm. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall down in the water. Ah, like this.